Here's trap number one. The tomorrow syndrome. I call this your procrastination prison. All right. Let's be real. According to Bankrate, 55% of Americans delay critical financial tasks every single month. That's not just procrastination. That's financial suicide. Because tomorrow is a thief. It steals your time, it's going to steal your goals, and it's definitely going to steal from your future. While you're saying, I'll start next week. Compound interest is working against you every single day. Here's what this is really costing you. If you delay investing just $200 a month for 5 years. All right, so $200 a month times 12 times that by 5 years, you're gonna lose out on $180,000 inside of your wealth building portfolio. Yeah. Leave the numbers up on the screen wherever they are. If they're here, I don't know wherever he's putting it. Let me say that again. If you just say, you know what, I'm cool, I'm chilling, I'm gonna go and enjoy this. I'm gonna spend $200 on a bag. I'm gonna spend $200 on food. I'm gonna spend $200 on eating out. You're missing out on $180,000. What's the problem? You keep pushing it off. I'll do it tomorrow. I deserve this. I'm gonna enjoy this. We just got back from summer vacation. I'm gonna start next month. I'm gonna start next week. Meanwhile, watch this. Your debt is compounding at 23% interest. Yeah, your credit card that I told you to cut up years ago. So you're not making any money, but you're paying out crazy, stupid amount of interest. Your anxiety is growing and you're missing out on opportunities that could change your family's legacy forever. But the solution? It can start today with daily micro actions. Let's be honest. Most people are stressed and stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle because they were never taught how money actually works. That is exactly why I built this channel. Every week, my team and I are breaking down how to master your money, how to get out of debt, save, invest, and build wealth without borrowing a dime. No fluff, no hype, just real money talk that actually helps you win financially. You see, because money impacts every aspect of our lives, our peace, our relationships, and even our future. If you don't take control of it, it will control you. And if you're tired of just surviving and you're ready to build wealth God's way, you're in the right place. Over 900,000 people have already subscribed to our YouTube channel with over millions of downloads on our Apple and Spotify podcasts. Now, when we hit 1 million on YouTube, we're giving away $30,000 to help you get out of debt and to start building legacy. So listen, don't just watch. Hit that subscribe, family. Join this community. Let's build real wealth. Let's build real financial freedom together. It's your boy. Hit that subscribe. Let's get back to the show. When I say this, when I say daily micro actions, I'm talking about number one, use the debt snowball method, where you attack your smallest bill first and build unstoppable momentum to your largest bill to eventually become debt-free one day. You can automate your investment portfolio. If you don't see it, 9 times out of 10, we don't spend it. I make investments, I build and I grow into it, but I don't look at it every single day. You can build your emergency fund, the very first one, with 1 month of your net pay and a high yield savings like SoFi. We'll put that up on the screens. You see, as a matter of fact, some kind of way, Ed, I don't know how you could do this, but let's figure out how can we put up SoFi on the screen and Moomoo on the screen. I don't know how we could do this. But when it comes to automatically investing, I use an app called Moomoo. They're going to give you anywhere between 5 to up to 20 free stocks if you open up an account and you put at least $100 in there. The more you invest into the account, the more free stocks you're going to get. And once you put it in there, you set it and you forget it. SoFi is going to give you a 4% interest rate on your money. And they're going to give you $300 just to open up an account. Family, listen, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. But the second best time to plant a tree is today, is right now. What's going on, family? I want to thank my friends over at Dovely for sponsoring today's show. You see, with rising rent, inflation, and high interest rates, your credit score matters more than ever. Whether you are trying to buy a home or just qualify for an apartment, it all starts, honestly, with having good credit. You see, this is where my friends at Dovely AI comes in. Watch this. It's a 100% free app that helps you build, fix, monitor, and even protect your credit with no confusion and no stress. Just smart AI-powered support that works 100% consumer debt-free. See, Dovely AI helps you build credit fast, helps you fix errors quickly, and stay protected with weekly updates, real-time alerts, and here's the best part about it, a $1 million ID theft insurance policy. Here's what I love about Dovely. On average, users are seeing about 34 points go up when it comes to their credit report. No credit card required, and premium members average an 82-point boost on their credit score. The better your score, the more you save, and the more you get approved. Listen, I need you to go check out my friends over at AnthonyONeal.com/Dovely. Again, that is AnthonyONeal.com, DOVLY. If you're tired of hearing no because of your credit scores, it's time to take control with my friends. Go check them out right now, and let's get back to today's show. I don't want this to spill on me again. I know some of you all who are listening. What is he doing? I'm drinking my green juice. I'm drinking apple, cucumber, celery, lemon, spinach, ginger, kale, and parsley. I drink this every single day because I have a problem with eating my veggies. I'm getting better at it, but I've been really doing this. I drink celery, straight celery in the morning, then I drink this midday, and we shoot our shows midday. So y'all gonna be seeing me drink more green juice throughout the time. I ain't gonna tell you the name of the company because they ain't paying me. Let's get to trap number 2. Credit complacency. All right. Your financial reputation is everything. Listen, your credit isn't just for loans. It's your financial reputation. And bad credit, that's a financial prison with invisible bars. Here's what most people don't understand. A single $500 credit error left unaddressed will cost you about $47,000 in extra interest over your lifetime. Say it one more time. A single $500 credit error left unaddressed, not fixed, will cost you about $47,000 in extra interest over a lifetime. I've seen it happen to many of my clients and friends and the people who I mentor within our E3 community over and over and over again. What's the problem? Too many people avoid checking their credit or assume it only matters when they're trying to buy a house, or some of y'all still buying cars on credit. Meanwhile, small errors and unpaid balances are quietly wrecking your financial future. It's quietly wrecking your insurance payments. It's your job potential.